Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Negril Paradise Integrated Resort, a $3 trillion development to take place in Negril. $3 trillion development. It's going to be the largest hotel development in Jamaica. And it's being done on the west end in Negril. Phase 1 will involve 362 acres. This is a mega development. Now, this development is going to involve building a cruise ship terminal. It's a hotel, but it's going to be a mixed use development, meaning you'll have a hotel, you're going to have tourist attractions, but you're going to have a cruise ship terminal. And the Falmouth Cruise Ship Terminal is the #1 cruise ship terminal in Jamaica, and it has two berths, so two ships can dock there at the same time. The one in Negril is going to have four. I've always wondered why Negril doesn't have a cruise ship terminal. And as you know, the Negril International Airport is being built over in Little London. So you're going to have an international airport, a cruise ship terminal, and highways leading to Negril. This this is going to be a game changer for Negril. So we are going to give you more information on the Negril Paradise Integrated Resort. The Negril Paradise Integrated Resort is one of the most ambitious development projects ever proposed for Western Jamaica. Planned for the west end of Negril, the project is designed as a large-scale, multi-use integrated resort that combines tourism, healthcare, housing, and infrastructure into a single master plan development. Unlike a traditional beachfront hotel, this project is envisioned as a fully integrated city-style resort community. The first phase will reportedly cover approximately 362 acres and is being led by Seven Builders Jamaica Limited, with support from local and international investors. Over a projected 15-year period, the total investment could reach an estimated US 22 billion or 3 trillion Jamaican dollars, positioning it among the largest planned private developments in Jamaica's history. One of the most groundbreaking components of the project is the proposed world-class healthcare complex. Plans include a state-of-the-art hospital with approximately 1,100 beds, offering advanced services such as trauma care and oncology treatment. In addition to healthcare, the resort plan includes luxury hotels, villas, entertainment districts, retail spaces, and renewable energy systems. A cruise ship terminal is also part of the vision, potentially transforming Negril into a major cruise destination alongside traditional tourism hubs. By diversifying tourism offerings beyond all-inclusive resorts, the development aims to create a broader economic ecosystem that supports both visitors and local communities. Overall, the Negril Paradise Integrated Resort represents a bold and transformative vision. If successfully executed, it could redefine tourism development in Negril, strengthen Jamaica's healthcare capacity, and position the country as a leader in integrated resort innovation in the Caribbean. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. And what is very significant about this project is that they had a groundbreaking last week. So this development is ready to go. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we will be giving you regular updates on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.